Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a pretty fine grit sandpaper for your next job, check out this sandpaper from 3M for a orbital sander. These Cubitron Xtract sanding discs are 6 inches in diameter. They have a net backing to them, which is really nice because it allows for greater dust extraction. So when you're using this with your orbital sander and a dust collector, it really leaves almost no dust. So it is a 99% dust-free option, which is great to keep your workspace nice and clean. It is a lot healthier to not be breathing in that dust, and overall just makes for a cleaner work environment. These sanding discs also just do an excellent job at smoothing out the surface. This is the 320 grit, so perfect for finishing. And because they work so well, you don't need to put a lot of pressure on the sander, so it makes for an easier job all around. So we've been really happy with this sandpaper, and that's my point of view.